Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out, a Grand Design, a 2026 Grand Design Imagine. This is the 21 MBE, and this is offered by Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. So we have a tandem axle. Here's your city water. You can see the awning with LED lights. And let's open up the kitchen area. So we have a dormitory style and size refrigerator, a 3-burner capital griddle, which is rather nice. And 3 griddles really makes it nice. Nice stairway to the roof. Single slide on the off-camp side. Then we have the docking station up front. We're gonna get inside. They mowing the grass this morning. Plus we have the highway traffic. There's a 21 MBE badging. So we have the Murphy bed, and I'll fold that down in a moment. But we also have a table, and then storage below. And again, I'll open that bed up in a moment. 10 cubic foot refrigerator freezer as I swing around. So you have a TV, so you can watch the TV from the couch bedding area. You can also watch it from your U-shaped dining. We have storage below the benches. Real nice kitchen, nice amount of cabinet space, storage space, your drying rack. And one thing that they Grand Design started doing is they started labeling everything, which I think really makes it nice, especially for video, because I don't have to call everything out and you can still get an idea of what there is to offer. I'll get to the bunk beds here in a moment. Just want to show you. So we have a clothing rod in there, so you can hang up clothes. Then we have cabinet space, so it's kind of a pantry slash area to hang your clothes. And then we have bunk beds, and rather large bunk beds. And then you also have that little cubby so you can plug in various items. This is the outdoor kitchen area, and then you also have additional storage right there. I'll show you the bathroom, and then we'll get to that bed that I promised you. So nice amount of storage space, and for towels, also your toiletry. You have a towel bar there. You also have one here on the door. You have these cubbies, as well as the hooks there to hang stuff up. And the commode's kind of tucked into a corner. Very nice. We have a medicine cabinet in the corner. And I'm gonna swing back around. And it's beautiful weather out there. You can see it's 68 degrees in here, which is just wonderful. Fall is here early in the St. Louis area. Your U-shaped dining, which I mentioned. So I'm going to, through the magic of video editing, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and then I'll pick right back up once I open the Murphy bed. So as I mentioned, the magic of video editing, there's the Murphy bed down. And let me show you, because one of the things that I would be curious about is how much room is between the cabinet and the bed. So you have room to get through, and then you have storage on both left and right, and a rather nice setup. So this is the 2026 Grand Design, and it's the Imagine 21 MBE. Again, it's offered by Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. Any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.